let's make black spaghetti from JoJo's.
ホテルはインク入りスパゲッティを食わせようってのが。ああ、いえお客様、これはネイロと言いまして。何？うまい！いいじゃにかん。
Let's grab a squid and remove the tentacles. This is the ink sac, be sure to save it for later. Clean the squid and slice it up into strips. In a pan on low heat, add olive oil, garlic, chili flakes, and black pepper. Mix for a few minutes before adding in your squid and saute for about 5 minutes on medium heat. Then add in your ink sac, mix well so everything is black, and top it off with seafood stock. Cover on medium-high heat for about 10 minutes. As that cooks, you can cook the pasta, and once the pasta is cooked, add that into your squid, along with some freshly chopped parsley, pasta water, and that's it. Mix, plate, and enjoy. Here's how you can make
Shofufu spaghetti
from JoJo's.
ニンニクを使ったパスタにはチーズを普通かけないが
赤唐辛子が入ってんすか？
はい、入ってます。
だからこれダメや。ティソワサ。
In a saucepan, let's add some olive oil, and to our red peppers, we'll add garlic and black pepper. Now let's add our anchovies with the anchovy oil and break everything up. As this simmers away, we can add our cherry tomatoes and cover this on low to medium heat for about 5 minutes until everything is soft. Add black olives and season to taste. In the meantime, we can cook our pasta. To salted boiling water, let's add some spaghetti, and once that's cooked, add it to our tomatoes along with some parsley and a bit of our pasta water. And that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoy. Here's how you can make Caprese Salad from JoJo's.
モッツァレラチーズは脂肪抜きした柔らかくて新鮮なチーズのことです。トマトを一番最初に料理に使ったのはイタリア人です。
To make the dressing, I'm going to mix anchovy with some of the oil, seaweed, olive oil, white wine vinegar, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and balsamic vinegar. Serve this with a side of toast and lettuce and basil for garnish.
さあ、召し上がってみてください。
もちろんすよ。
Let's make lamb chops from JoJo's Bizarre Adventure.
よしよし、いい食べっぷりだぞ。メインディッシュ、子羊背肉のリンゴソースかけは成功のようだな。そこで何をしている？見たな！お前、覗き見に入ってきたというわけですか！私は起きません。覚悟してもらいます。
幸せだ！幸せの繰り返しだよ！うまい！うまいぞが！
I didn't actually think this combo would work. The applesauce came out a bit tart and it was quite smooth with the butter, so it paired well with the lamb. I thought it was going to be sweet, but it's actually quite good. If I had to rate this, I'm going to give it a 9.4 out of 10.